Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I'm excited for today's video, you guys. I am posting my new debt update. Before I go ahead and do so, I will talk to you guys, chit chat a little bit because I do have few people that are new in here, and so I'm excited to talk with you guys, keep you updated, remind you or update you on what's going on. Okay guys, so I am on a journey to become debt free. About 2 years ago, I started my debt free journey. I had over $45,000 in debt. I did start my YouTube video 2 years ago, but in the midst of that, I deleted my YouTube account and everything. I mean, you name it. So I deleted that. Then again, I went back and I told myself, you know what, screw it, let me restart again and be serious about my debt. Because I get myself in debt and then I come back, get myself in debt and I come back. So I went ahead and did that, and I was like, you know what, let me start a YouTube video again. And I did. I started YouTube, and I did take a 4 months break because of life and just in general. I was busy and life be lifing. And I was not fully into it until the end of last year. I was like, you know what? Let me keep you guys posted with my debt and let's go fully on. So that's what I decided to do. I went ahead and started my journey. And yeah, okay, so I want to go ahead and show you guys what I have completed in that time frame. Okay, and this was done on... when was it? It was on, I can't even think, December? Yes. So I started it December, okay? It was December of last year where I told myself, you know what? I need to be 100% with my journey. So let me cover this because I don't want you guys to see it first, but I want to give you an update of my debt when I started. In every 11th of each month, I have done my debt update balance. Okay, so I'm excited to share with you guys my new balance. This month that just passed, I was not able to do as much, but I am excited to share with you what I did do. So when I started this, you guys, like I said, I had more than $45,000 in debt, which I'm so excited that I'm so close to finishing. My goal is to finish by August, before August or by August of this year. And I told myself I am no longer getting myself in debt anymore. And God's willing, knock on wood, I'm tired of paying money, and that money could either go to emergency fund, to vacation, to myself, to treat myself. I mean, you name it. It can be for many things, but it is not. It's going towards, credit cards. But anyway, so when I started this journey, like when I was fully 100% into killing my debt, which was last year, the end of last year, my balance on the 14 was $7,802 with 6 cents. December, and then we started with January. I dropped it to $6,777.50. So I was able to put towards my debt $1,024.56. Then for the next upcoming update, I was able to do $6,097 with 33 cents. So I was able to put $680 with 17 cents towards my debt, in the next month, on the second month. The third month, I have a $5,179, which it was almost $1,000 going towards my debt. So it was a $918 with 33 cents. I hope you guys can see that. Not sure. Hopefully camera's good. And then so here we are month 4. So are you guys excited to see for month 4? I am excited. It's not a lot, you guys, but I am so pumped about it. And yeah, we are into this together. So the reason I did this was because I'm getting older, you guys. I'm 28. No, I'm 27. Just kidding. I want to add myself more age. I'm 27. I'm turning 28 in August. And so I told myself I want to be debt free for my new year, my new chapter, my new age. And so, and I'm getting older. I have kids. You know, I need to take life more responsibility into it. I mean, I'm already responsible, but I need to be more responsible. And yeah, and so this month that just passed, because I give myself a month time frame to be able to put towards my debt. And the way how it works is I play with Mini Mondays, Freebie Fridays, and then some other saving challenges from here that go towards my debt or other stuff. I do that because if I have extra money, I just spend it, you guys. Like, I used to be a shopaholic. I mean, you name it, I would go to the store literally almost every day. Like 90% of the time I was at the store buying stuff and adding on to cars and, you know, you name it. So yeah, so I have made a huge improvement in myself, and I think I'm very happy. I'm very happy with myself. All right, I think this pen is not for that, and I don't think I have any other pen. Who knows where the other one's at? Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so the new balance is 4,000. You guys, we have dropped it to the four digit 4,674. Oh my gosh, with 47 cents. OMG. So we have dropped it from 5,179 to 4,674 with 47 cents. You guys, it is not a lot, trust me, but this is very, very exciting. It is a happy dance type of excitement. This is the lowest I have ever put towards my debt. So I put 504 with 53 cents that went towards my debt. Okay, so woohoo, how exciting. I love it. I'm happy. I'm blessed. I'm happy with the progress. So this is the new balance here, 4,674 with 47 cents. We were able to put 504 with 53 cents towards my debt balance. So that's exciting. Next month is going to be even better, you guys. If you've been following me, you know that I'm going to be getting my tanda in 2 weeks or so. So that money will help me out pay one of my debt balance. So this amount will definitely make a huge drop for next month, besides saving challenges and all that good stuff too. But I am so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can see the light in the tunnel. Like, I can see the light in the tunnel. I am a little bit far away, but I still have 4 months to kill it. So I'm so excited for this chapter. Oh, I cannot wait to be debt free, you guys. Oh my gosh, you don't even know it. I crave it. I crave it. And yeah, and so I have 4 months to fully be done with my debt, and I am excited. I know, and God's willing, I will do it, and I am pushing myself as hard as I can. And I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited. So for you guys, maybe that amount of money is so little. You're like, girl, that's nothing. But trust me, for me, I feel like I am drowning. I am drowning. We started with $45,000. We're down to $4,000. I mean, oh my goodness, you guys. Wow. But yeah, all of this because of you, because you guys motivate me. Y'all push me. And y'all keep me going, because I feel like if I don't do any update on this, or if I don't keep myself accountable, I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I even posting? You know, I feel happy to show you guys my journey, because, you know, everyone has different journey, and I have gotten comments here and there that I inspire you or motivate you, even though I don't do a big cash stuffing, or I do small amounts, low budget. I'm so thankful. I'm blessed. I'm happy. I'm grateful. It makes me happy. Like, it really does. So yeah, so that's the new update, you guys. So excited. Can't wait for next month. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys back again tomorrow. Happy Friday, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye.